When first I left old England, sure such yarns as we were told, as how folks in Australia could pick up lumps of gold. So when we got to Melbourne town, we were ready soon to slip and get even with the captain and scuttle from the ship. With his swag upon me shoulder, Black Billy in me hand, I travel the bush of Australia like a true-born native man.
Well, welcome everyone back to the channel. Ful-O Gold here. It's a really nice day today. Kind of warm actually, 25 degrees. Not used to it. I'm kind of sweating already. But yeah, just I've had the flu for the last week or two, and yeah, since I uploaded my last video of that 7 grammer that I found, that was a absolute ripper. So thanks for all your comments on there, and really appreciate everyone chiming in. Yeah, it was a good time. So yeah, I still feel a little bit under the weather, but you can probably hear I probably sound like I'm about to kick the bucket, but thought I'd take the opportunity now to do some metal detecting, and yeah, even if it's only an hour or two, it's better than being at home staring at the same 4 walls for another day. So anyway, we're out in another area with reefy workings, and yeah, just use a 6000, and hopefully we can pick up some nice species or something. So enough jibber jabbering, let's get into it. Alright, so I just found this target here, hasn't been long at all. Some nice quartzy looking bits and pieces. I think it's part of a mullock. There's a bit of a working over there, so let's give it a scrape, see what happens. So I've dug the hole so far, it's still there, screaming. It's a low high, so yeah, maybe it's another 7 grammer. Only hoping. Alright, keep digging. So, just dug it out. It's a bit of a pain. I dug it out and the signal's gone. I couldn't find it anywhere. Went over the hole, went over my scrapings, nothing. So, what happened was the target fell into the hole and it was just out of reach of the detector. So, need to work on my pinpointing skills a bit more, but just a little rust nugget. Well, not a little, but medium size. Alright, gotta dig them all though. Could have been a 7 grammer. So guys, on to the next one. Righto, so I got a little target here. Already scraped off my boot. It's still there, only just sort of picking it up. So I thought it might be worth filming this one. So we'll just get the old pickaroo out. Not 100% sure if this will be gold or not, because lead usually doesn't go past that layer of quartz there. So we'll just give it a scrape, see what happens. It's still in there, so that's a good sign. I think it's about here somewhere. still looking good. A lot of gravelly sort of stuff. Yeah, I think that's it. Yep, that's it, and it's in roughly around about here. So I'll get the camera back out when I've got it in the scoop. Okay, that's it, and it is gold. You little ripper. Still a bit dirty, but it's a nice sharp jagged bit. Get you to focus. Happy days. So what I'll do now is I'll go over this real carefully. There's a lot of leaf litter though. See what else I can find. There's got to be others around here. Cheers guys. Okay, another target. Right in between these two shrubs here. One there, one there. Almost missed it. So we've got a target and about 3 or 4 bull ants. I'm not getting bitten by you blokes today. Wasn't born yesterday, but maybe the day after. So, get out of here, you lot. Alright, I'll quickly dig this up before I get chased out of here. There we go, guys. That is a nice bit of gold. It was actually stuck between 2 bits of quartz, about the size of a 20-cent piece, and the bit of gold was the only thing that was holding the 2 quartz together. So I picked it up, and she kind of fell apart in my hands. Nice, coarse, spiky gold, straight out of the source. So I got the first bit over there, second one just over there, and there's diggings, reef working right up there. So I reckon this is a promising spot. Might even be worth raking it out one day when I'm feeling a bit more better, a bit more energetic, but save this spot on the GPS. My little spot. Cheers guys. Yeah, we got another target right above that one I just got over here. Sounds nice. Hope those ants have learnt their lesson. These mosquitoes, I tell you what, they're out in droves today. Oh, I tell you what, it's something shocking. But you know, the bush never sleeps. There's gold there to be taken, so let's see. Still in there. Still in there. Where's my pick? Here it is. Woo! Get excited for this bit of lead. Right, that's got to get it for sure. Right. Yeah, I think that's it. Maybe not. No, still in there. That has to be gold. I'm going to say 97.2%. I'm that sure it's going to be gold. Can't go back on that offer though. Right, that's it. Yeah, some of these, it's going to be really difficult sometimes because you got all these branches and it makes the core go up and down and side and back and forth, and it's easy to lose a signal. So, alright, there she is. Again, I'll get that in the scoop, get you back on camera, because if I try to pinpoint you, pick it up with the scoop, I'll end up catching the camera on the detector. So, see you shortly. There we go. It's in this clump of dirt, right by me thumbnail. For all you non-believers out there, I don't plant my gold, my finds, so we'll just get that in there. Out she pops. Nice, another nuggy. Flat bit too. Huh. So, looks like it's been squashed. Alright. Number 3. 1, 2, 3. Got a little run of nuggies here. So I would really like to get a rake out of you one day. Just not today. It's too hot and sweaty. And speaking of which, guys, summer's coming up. Make sure you bring water with you. I've got a water bottle with me, 600 ml. Just whack it in the freezer for an hour or so before I head out, and just keep sipping at it as you go, because I know I'm not in the most remotest areas, but you can get carried away, guys. There's a guy YouTube channel that I really like. His name's Nugget Magnet. You've probably seen him, heard of him, but he had a nice video up there that saying the same thing, that he goes out Western Australia remotely, and you know, when you're in 35 plus degrees, it's easy to get carried away. You know, you get a signal here, signal there, before you know it, you know, you really got to keep your fluid levels up. So yeah, I think in one of his videos he was sort of laughing deliriously, so because he was just dehydrated. So guys, something to keep in mind. It's you know, summer's almost here, so just look after yourselves, alright? No worries. It's enough of that public service announcement, and let's see if I can find some more.
Alright everyone, so back at home now. I'd sort of stayed out there for a little bit longer, but found a couple of bits of lead and nothing else really to report, so thought I'll just chuck these nuggies that I found on the scale. That's them there. There's that flat one there. A couple of nice reefy bits. So let's tear that up. There's the first one. 0.11. That was about a 0.06. And that was a 0.03 or so. So nearly quarter of a gram. 0.21 for a few hours detecting, so not too bad at all. I'll definitely be going back there for a rake at some stage. Well, thanks for checking out this video. Check out my other videos, and we'll see you again soon. Cheers, guys.